Hello everyone, today I have new stock arrived. 24-inch Trowel machine with lightweight genuine Briggs & Stratton engine on it. Heavy duty handlebar, heavy duty hinge, heavy duty handlebar plate as you can see, and foldable handle, and you have a centrifugal killer switch on the handlebar. Foldable handle. It's 5.5 horsepower engine, 163 cc XR 750 Briggs engine, heavy duty blade, base, ring guard, and it's ready to go. The price is $2,000 for each unit, including GST. I've only got 5 units available, so if you want one, let me know. I can put one on the side for you. Thank you.